Understanding, apply leverage, in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, apply leverage. This phrase can be a bit confusing, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just expanding your vocabulary, understanding phrases like this is key to fluent communication. Apply leverage is a phrase that comes from the physical concept of leverage, using a lever to move something with less effort. In a more abstract sense, it means using a position of strength or advantage to influence a situation or achieve a goal. It's often used in business, negotiations, and even personal relationships. Let's see how apply leverage works in various sentences. 1. In business, the company applied leverage by using its large market share to negotiate better prices from suppliers. 2. In negotiations, she applied leverage in the negotiation by highlighting her unique skills and experiences. 3. Personal relationships, he applied leverage by reminding his friend of the past favors he had done. This phrase is often mistaken for force or coercion. However, applying leverage is more about strategic advantage and influence rather than direct force. It's important to understand this distinction to use the phrase accurately. Similar phrases include, gain the upper hand, to get into a dominant position. Tip the scales, to influence a situation to one's advantage. Pull strings, to use one's influence to get what one wants. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of apply leverage. Remember, learning phrases like these can really enhance your English communication skills. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.